This video shows you how to change your list password. To begin, go to the list homepage, www.thelist.tas.gov.au. Click on the Login button in the top right of the screen. Now click on the Forgot Your Password link. On the next page, type in your email, which is your list user ID, and the verification code shown in the grey box, and then click on the Reset Password button. You'll receive a notification advising that a password reset email has been sent. Access this email to complete your password reset. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you found it useful, please like it below and subscribe to our channel using the link in the top right of your screen. There are more videos and help available on the Land Information System Tasmania YouTube channel and the LIST website, or you can contact the Client Services Help Desk by phone or email.